Kabatcher, today is 12 a.m. on all the Philippines. So, papalapit na election sa Philippines. Baka manalo si Sara Duterte because emboldened like Duterte Rodrigo to the Philippines, right? Yung nagawa niya sa mga tao. Siyempre, anak yun kakampihan ng ni Duterte, mga vultures. So, ngayon Marcos, pag naging president si Sara Duterte, coming election, yari ka, tatapusin ka, papatayin ka, pati yan si Romualdez. Kaya, tamo nangyari kay President Donald Trump. May pumatay sa kanya, ngayon naging president siya. Kaya, it's very dangerous sa mangyayari sa American people towards targeting to our politic damage or whatever to get the others. Religion is not convincing to politics, but politics time of religion to the Christ image in this world to is in time. World War III is a politic version because corruption, individual money, pride, and bold to evil to Satan, consequences for other background. Understanding. So yun yung point ngayon. Abangan nyo ha. Kasi sa akin, I'm to record it 2015 na ako nag-umpisa, di ba? Is na ngayon, 10 years coming, very long. So our government leader, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, all over the world, our leader to me is made the tax money because me as made in your politics to background, ginagamit ako nila para hindi sila atakihin ng ibang bansa, hindi sila ma-destroy, ginagamit ang aking name to religion, convincing to others because me is this made our nation, my face and images about the Christ image because I am. Yun yung point nila, kaya strong ang mga politics na to. At kaya ang ginagawa nila sa akin ay ini-spoil nila ako sa earth na ito, hindi ako nila kinukulong, hindi ako nila pinapatay kasi yung point nila, napapakinabangan nila ako sa earth in this place. So, but probably the person is very disgusting. Kung yun man lang, at saka Philippines, pwede ba? Ibigay mo na ang pera ko, may bayad na akong BPI ATM Bank, isin mo na lang doon. Kasi napakadami kong gagawin. Sayang, tumatanda ko dito sa earth, wala nangyayari. Revolution tayo at dapat hindi na ako nagmumura dito sa YouTube na to. Yun lang kailangan ko, pera. At nag-i-enjoy ako ng aking miracle life in this earth. Pero kung ina-abandon nyo ako, ganda mga kalaban nyo dito. Hindi ako. You will talk to you and pack yourself down to going stupid as real. Get it? Follow to my YouTube channel. Thank you.